Hello everyone and welcome back to my kitchen. In the summer months, I am all about delicious salads, and today's easy grilled chicken salad is the one you'll be having on repeat. It's easy enough for everyday meals and special enough for those summertime occasions like Father's Day, 4th of July, and everything in between. It's made with juicy grilled chicken breasts served over a bed of romaine lettuce and all the best salad fixings like avocado, grilled corn, tomatoes, peppers, lots of cheese, and a really delicious cilantro, garlic, and zesty lemon dressing. Everything combined together is this amazing explosion of flavors and textures. I love that juicy chicken with the crunchy, refreshing vegetables. It's perfect for summertime. Don't forget to head on down into the video description box for the recipe link. I'll have all the details up on my website for you. And now let me show you how to make this delicious salad. We're going to get things started with the chicken meat. We need to get it seasoned and let it marinate so all those flavors can really sink in. And this is a step that you could do the night before to really get those flavors to saturate into the meat. I placed 4 medium-sized chicken breasts into a Ziploc bag. I'm going to start by pouring in a generous amount of olive oil. Pour a couple tablespoons of that olive oil in. And this will help all the spices really stick to the meat. Season with a generous amount of sea salt. I'm going to do about a tablespoon. I'm going to add lots of ground black pepper. Add about a teaspoon of dried garlic powder. Teaspoon of dried onion powder. About a teaspoon and a half actually of this one. Smoked paprika. And some dried oregano. I love oregano on chicken, especially during the summer months. All right, let's seal all this up. And then use your hands to massage those spices into the chicken. Once your chicken is nicely coated, place it back into the refrigerator, let it chill and marinate for at least an hour. Meanwhile, we're going to make our salad dressing and prep all the ingredients for the salad. For a salad dressing, we're going to start with the zest of 2 large lemons. I love that fragrant lemony aroma the zest adds. I'm just going to drop it into a large measuring cup that we'll use to make our dressing. Next, we'll slice these lemons in half. Grab a little juicer and squeeze out the juice. We need 1/3 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. To the lemon juice, add in a 1/3 cup of good quality extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon of honey or pure maple syrup, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and this is going to make the salad dressing a little bit creamy. If you don't want to add this, you could just skip this step. And time for some garlic. I'm going to use my zester to grate in 3 cloves of garlic. Let's season this salad dressing with a little bit of salt, about a teaspoon of sea salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a couple tablespoons of fresh chopped cilantro. It's going to add lots of great flavor. And then use a whisk and mix this all together vigorously until you have a creamy, thick dressing. While I'm preheating my outdoor grill, I'm also going to prep some veggies to go on the grill along with the chicken. We're going to do some grilled radishes. These are so good. You have to try them. Some grilled red bell pepper and some corn. I pre-cooked the corn in boiling water for about 8 minutes and let that cool down. Now I'm going to drizzle my radishes with a little bit of olive oil and the peppers. And of course, season them with a little bit of salt. And grilled radishes have this incredible flavor. You're gonna love them on this salad. My chicken has marinated and it's ready to be grilled, so it's time to head outside. I have my outdoor grill preheating to about 500 degrees Fahrenheit. I usually preheat mine for about 15 minutes so those grates are really nice and hot and ready for all this delicious food. So let's head outside and grill up some chicken and veggies. Make sure to space the chicken breast out a couple inches apart for even grilling. We'll put our corn on the opposite side here, along with our bell pepper and radishes. And I'm going to close my grill for faster cooking. Rotate your corn and veggies occasionally so they evenly grill. Make sure to temperature check each chicken breast individually and take them off as soon as they hit 160 degrees Fahrenheit, and then they'll continue to cook on the side until they reach 165. And before we put together our salad, use a sharp knife to carefully cut away the corn kernels from the cob. These are going to be so delicious combined with that chicken, and I have the chicken resting off to the side right now. And then we'll split our grilled radishes into quarters or halves, just depending on how big they are. And let's chop up those grilled bell peppers. All right, let's start putting this all together. I'm going to start with a bed of crispy romaine. I just chopped this up, gave it a wash in some ice cold water. You want it nice, crispy, refreshing. Next, we're going to go in with some, I have some sliced radish. You could skip this if you're adding the grilled radish, but I thought it'd add a beautiful pop of color in here. Gonna add in some sliced cucumbers. Next up, some sliced red onion. You can also use sliced shallots. I happen to run out of shallots today, so I'm just using the red onion, which is a great substitute. And when I assemble my salads, I like to layer the colors. So next I'm gonna break up all the green and purple with a little bit of the corn here. Add your chopped bell pepper. Grilled radishes. I have some sliced cherry tomatoes. We'll add some chopped creamy avocado. I feel like a proper chicken salad must have avocado in there. I love having lots of avocado. Time for some cheese. Today I am using crumbled queso fresco. This is a salty, soft Mexican cheese. I feel like it really pairs well with all the grilled veggies and the grilled chicken, but you can also use some crumbled feta or even some crumbled goat cheese. I love to have a little bit of spice in this salad, so I'm going to add some thinly sliced chili peppers. And garnish everything with a little bit of chopped cilantro. And now for the star ingredient of our salad, our grilled chicken. It's nicely rested. I'm going to slice it into thin slices and we'll add it on top of our salad. This chicken breast is so juicy and flavorful. Love the aroma. I like to fan my chicken out over the top of the salad. And when you're ready to enjoy the salad, go ahead and drizzle that creamy dressing. I love to get lots of it over the chicken. It just kind of sinks into the chicken, makes it even better. Oh, I can't wait to dig in and enjoy. This is going to be so delicious. Let's plate up some of this delicious salad with the chicken. You want to get a little bit of everything. And that's it for my grilled chicken salad recipe. The aroma alone is simply mouth-watering. You have lots of that garlicky, zesty aroma from the dressing, a little bit of that smoky, charred aroma from the chicken. This is going to be fantastic any summer day. Let's dig in to enjoy. Don't forget to head on down into the video description box for all the recipe details up on my website. Now let's grab some of the chicken, along with a little bit of the avocado, some cheese, some corn. Oh, this just looks so good. One of my favorite salads. Whoever says salads are boring hasn't tried this one. It is packed with so much incredible flavor. That chicken is so juicy and tender. I love that zesty garlicky dressing. The chicken really soaks in some of that dressing, and then you have the creamy avocado, that delicious grilled corn. I love the grilled bell peppers in here as well. Let's get some of this crunchy, refreshing romaine. I love the crunchiness combined with all the creamy ingredients. It's such a great combination. This looks so, so good. I can eat this type of salad every single week during the summer months and never get sick of it. It's so incredibly flavorful, delicious, and easy to make. And I love that you could do a lot of the prep work the night before. You can marinate the chicken, you could prep your veggies, you can make the salad dressing. When it's time to enjoy, just toss everything together, toss the chicken on the grill, and you're good to go. Thank you so much for watching my latest episode. I hope you enjoy this delicious chicken salad at home, and I'll see you next time with a new recipe.